Watch to the end to see how Lego characters can help with your cables. Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget. If something like this bothers you or gives you issue, please watch this video and we'll show you some easy Amazon tricks. All the links are below. And first, how do you figure out or work out your USB cables getting knotted or all tied up or just loose? Let's go. This I absolutely love. So this is just a normal USB plug. Okay, this has got an Apple connector, but it's magnetic. So it goes into a coil like that. It just sticks together, which is just great. The other thing as well with this that I really like is that if you wanted to, you can change it to the USB-C type, and you can change it from normal USB to a USB-C type at the end. But the magnetic coil means that it's never just unwrapped like this. You just literally just chuck it down onto the table like that and it sticks together. And it's hard to show this on the camera, but that is sticking together magnetically. So it always stays in a roll like this. To prove it, I just throw it down unwrapped on the table and it goes magnetically into its coil. Brilliant. Next, you can go from this. There you go. Solution where you've cable tied them together. The other option, turn your cables from this to this. First, let's show you these amazing little magnets. Again, I love reusing, recycling rather than throwing away plastic. So these are magnetic, almost like cable ties. So what you can do, you can cable tie your cable, you can put your cables together like this, wrap it round, connect to one another. And that means if you want to take them apart, you can easily do that. So if I wanted to now take the red apart from the purple, I can take them apart or I can stick them back together again. So they're all connected. Alternatively, you can use cable ties. I'll send you a link at the bottom. These ones are quite nice because they're reusable. Is get the wires, is you cable tie like this, okay? So each separator, let me get my hand out of the way. Each time you're separating, you're bringing the cables through, making sure like this. I've got all the cables cable tied together. And all you do is you pull all the cables tight. There you go. Then you can chop the ends off. Cheap, easy solution. Next is when you have cables, and I'm sure a lot of you had this situation where, let's show you, goes behind some desk or some table and then you lose it. And now you've got to rummage around underneath, try and find it. How do you stop that happening? This is the next one. Really cute, neat. All they do is just hold your cable in place and they just sit on the desk like that. You just get this little device here, unclip it, open it like that, put that in the top there, clip it closed, and then that means that that will never come out. Pull off the sticky bottom, stick it where you need it, and there you go. If you don't want it to look so officey boring, the other thing you can do is go onto eBay, buy a lovely little Lego character, Millhouse in this case. Their hands perfectly suited for USB leads. Blue tack it down, boom. You've got yourself another means of holding the cable. Hope that's helped. Please like, please subscribe.